So our topic is about division of fraction. Number 1, 20 divided by 2 and 1 half. So ang gagawin natin dito, we have to rename these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Okay? So first, we have to copy yung 20. Okay? Then divide or divided by 2 and 1 half. So gawin natin itong improper fraction. So 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 2. So ngayon, so that is equal to 20. From division, you have to change this one into multiplication. And from 5 over 2, magiging 2 over 5 yan. Yung reciprocal ng 5 over 2 is 2/5, di ba? So, magiging multiplication yan ngayon. And 5 over 2 is magiging 2 over 5. Equals. So, si 20 meron niyang over 1. Okay? So, 20 times 2, that is 40, over 1 times 5 is 5. So, equals 40 divided by 5 is 8. So, this is your final answer sa ating example number 1. Number 2, 6 and 2/3 divided by the quantity of negative 1 and 1 half. So, itong dalawang mixed numbers ay gawin muna natin itong improper fraction. Okay, so 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2, that is 20 over 3. Kopyahan natin yung denominator niya. Okay, divided by 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, negative 3 over 2 equals. So, magiging ano na to ngayon? Reciprocal nito. At saka, we have to change this one into multiplication. So, kopyahin natin yan si 20 over 3. Magiging multiplication na yan. At kunin natin yung reciprocal ng 3 over 2. Negative 2 over 3. Okay? So, equals, dito tayo sa baba konti. 20 times negative 2, that is negative 40 over 9. Okay? Then equals, negative 40 over 9, or divided by 9, that is equal to, so 40 divided by 9, negative 2 ha, 4, that is 36. 36, di ba? So, 10, 4. So, negative 4 and 4 over 9. So, this is your final answer. Negative yan. Negative. Okay. Bye-bye.